This is my evidence-based system for hitting $1 million a month. I've worked directly with dozens of 8 to 9-figure entrepreneurs such as Nathan Nazareth, Louis Garros, William Phillips, Spencer Paulo, and many more. Most entrepreneurs think they need an A++ hire, a new funnel, or a new system to scale. Well, this is true, but it is only half of the output equation. As an entrepreneur, your ability to make clear decisions and execute projects completely relies on the bindings of your biology. And most people try and take the easy route of just taking supplements or ignoring their health to get that level of performance that they need in order to function in their business. But this sort of methodology only unlocks a small fraction of their true potential, as ultimately they're just fooling themselves. In this video, I'm going to give away my entire health system for free. And this is something that you just need to set up once, and then it will continuously operate in the background for you. This is going to be a straight educational video, and I'm going to address and break down all the constraints and problems associated with health. Currently, there is a fundamental flaw in the way that we take care of ourselves. More specifically, two types of things that affect our output. The normal way of doing things that require action on our part, so actions from us, the main source of output, in order to take care of ourselves, as well as the information that we act on. Humans in general are not really good at being smarter with taking action with their health and applying information or doing science. It's one of the slowest evolving fields in this category, and it has a lot of potential, and I'm excited to shift some paradigms for you right now. So firstly, the normal way of doing things invokes doing laundry, cooking, cleaning, training, and I know what you might be thinking. Oh, my partner or I already have a maid that does this, which is great. You have that wealth product in there, but even if you do have the action taken care of, if that action isn't acting on information, as in what's going on in your gut, what's your blood work telling you, how fit are you, what supplements are you taking, and it's not a system, it's just going to fall flat on its face, as ultimately you could be automating eating unhealthy food or food that isn't healing your problems or addressing the root causes of where your energy or your output is leaking. So it's important to realize that the normal way of doing things has things very segregated. There's the action steps, so like we said, laundry, cooking, cleaning, actually going to the gym and training, as well as the information piece, what to eat, when to sleep, and what supplements to take. And simply put, because all of this is all over the place, this has caused a plethora of negative side effects. Low energy, no time, bad output, living short or not feeling good. And ultimately, the goal and everything that you're doing in life and why you're here right now is you want to decode the human system to amass as much output as possible, as fundamentally you are the one that is responsible for all this output in your business. Now, this is the unholistic way of doing things, and this is what we do for our clients, the Optimobility way, as I've labeled it here. The first piece is the wealth piece. So installing somebody that comes in your home that creates an amazing, uplifting experience for your home ethos, taking care of cooking, cleaning, the works, everything in the space that you're working out of, so that you don't need to do all of this. I actually have this set up right now for myself. Obviously, I do use my own service, so we have the laundry fully taken care of in the office as I'm filming this. And that's just something that I can do because I'm on here building N8 and workflows. And this stuff of decoding biology and getting the gist and the information down to a science as to what's actually going on is where my time should be spent. And if I'm not in front of the computer doing this and figuring out how I'm going to scale and make my product better, I'm fundamentally doing a disservice to all my clients as well as anyone that I could be helping in the future. So therefore, I realize the effects of my output going towards shit that I have to do every single day and not utilizing or having a business mindset around those sorts of actions. So we've gone over the wealth piece. Now, this isn't anything too revolutionary. A housekeeper chef or a chef that comes in and cleans is great for the wealth piece. But the thing that really hits home with what we're doing is the science. We decode the entire body, so blood work, gut, DNA, genetics, DEXA scan, and we store all of that data in a proprietary software that is pulled whenever we need to create plans for you, training, nutrition, whatever it is. So then that way, instead of doing guesswork and listening to influencers, we're actually doing science. We're using as many data points as we can gather and treating health just like a business, pretty much. Just like how we're using meta ads, it's the same analogy. We're using data points to find out the core implementations of what's holding back your output. Because realistically speaking, the human body has over 11 systems, and each of them can hide inflammation in its own special type of way. And when that inflammation remains unaddressed, it leaks out in terms of your output. It's the measurable way of understanding how effective you are. So brain fog and no energy, low testosterone, all these things are symptoms of inflammation to some extent found in the body, and that can be seen throughout all the systems with gut problems or low muscle mass. It really does depend, and that's why we have to do the science. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to identify what's going on with the person. Afterwards, we have professionals. So we have one of the top ranked Ironman in Canada that does all of our training programming. We have a doctor as well as a geneticist on the team, and they'll look over those health testing results as well as our AI software. We'll make plans that specifically meet your needs, goals, and wants where you're at, depending on how much time you have to put into training, etc. And then the results speak for themselves. We just hosted a giant Optimobility Mastermind in Whistler, British Columbia, Canada, where we had over 11 members come out and we took care of everything for them. Food, accommodation, recovery, nutrition. Our chef came with us and it was an amazing experience. And the impact of having these systems implemented on the background meant one thing for all of our mastermind attendees. It meant they could actually network at their highest level. Because they weren't leaking any sort of output, they were as sharp as can be, and networking was much more fruitful and much more genuine amongst them. As ultimately, they didn't need to worry about their bare basic needs, because the only thing that impacts our output on a day-to-day basis is our basic needs, and how well we can do them and orchestrate them to work for ourselves, meet our problems where we're at, is going to be a clear expression of how high our output is and how aligned we are with feeling in flow state as much as possible. So check out our Instagram for all of our case studies. Check out optimobility.com for more testimonials and people that have used this sort of philosophy for their 8, 9, 10 plus figure businesses, and see what kind of impact they've seen and gained from using our service.